Yeah, check this backyard out. How terrible it's look. Time to pressure wash this backyard. Look how green it is. Look how dirty it is. Terrible. Look there, all that allergy. Yeah, check the before and the after. Yeah. See how dirty it is? See all that dirt? Green and nasty backyard. Time to power wash. Yeah, getting set up to wash this backyard. Check the before and the after. Johnson Cleaning Service. We do it all. Yeah, the drainage in this backyard is terrible. The water not draining for nothing, but I do what I can. You see how behind me how clean it is comparing to the rest of it? The drainage is terrible. But I'm doing what I have to do. Okay, so this is the after. Look at the capture. Yeah, all done. Another project. That's it for your money. Yeah, the side of the house and the backyard. All done. Johnson Cleaning Service Inc. Check us out.